Well, Mary Kay, we have a 1-2 punch, at least 2 punches, freezing fog overnight and freezing rain tomorrow.
We have a lot of issues, and let's add thunderstorms to the mix while we're at it tomorrow afternoon. But you're right, tonight we have dense freezing fog inland, so mainly away from the city, but we will still have fog. But I think inland temperatures could drop to the freezing mark, and that would create some frozen surfaces that would be slick. Looking at visibility now, it has dropped in northwest Indiana over the last hour, down to a mile now. Valparaiso, also LaPorte, and into Rensselaer. Those areas are under a dense fog advisory until 6 a.m. because then once the rain moves in, the fog will be gone and we will be wet. We have winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories from Rapid City to Omaha. We have a tornado watch over southern Missouri, but we're watching that rain inch to the north. I have it in motion so you can see how it's moving from south to north towards St. Louis right now. We just have clouds rolling in and that fog in place. And right now, as we check outside, temperatures are holding at 38 degrees at Midway, and we have 6-mile visibility there. Winds are out of the east at 9. We're going to see those winds pick up during the day tomorrow and get a little gusty. So it'll be a windy and wet weekend, especially for the front half of tomorrow. Sunrise is 7 o'clock. That's where we're going to see that rain lift to the north. Downpours and the snow melt, that together will lead to some standing water and some localized flooding, and especially if we add some afternoon thunderstorm chances to the forecast, that would just make problems worse with flooding. So from 6 a.m. when it starts moving in, we see that rain increase through lunch. The red line's indicating when we have those thunderstorm chances. Notice how the showers want to hang in by tomorrow evening. So there's the storm we're watching. The warm front lifting to the north opens the door for that moisture to move in. Look at 7 o'clock. Heavy rain. Joliet, Kankakee lifting north through the Chicago area as temperatures stay in the upper 30s. We could see an inch or more of rain. On the back side of this, when the sun sets on Sunday, those rain showers could change to late evening snow, and we'll be left with a wintry mix to start on Monday. Cold again next week, middle 20s by Wednesday. So we're going to start the weekend windy and wet for tomorrow.
Oh, sounds miserable and messy. Thank you, Mary Kay.